Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Chase credit card account. If you need to manage your credit card account, then you can keep watching the video till the end. If you're not subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and do it by tapping on the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to press the notification bell icon to never miss another update from us in the future. Start by opening up your web browser. In the web address bar at the top, type in www.chase.com and press enter. Right in the home page of Chase Bank, you'll be able to see a sign-in box at the right-hand side of the screen. Go ahead and enter your username in the first text field and move on to the next field. Type in the password correct. If you'd like to double-check your password, click on this eye icon at the right side of the password box. If you'd like the system to remember your username, you can simply click on this Remember Me box, but if you're using a public device or a shared computer, make sure to uncheck this. Finally, after typing in all of your information correct, click on the Sign In button, but in case you've forgotten your username or your password, you can go click on this Forgot Username/Password link and follow the instructions to either look for your username or to reset your password. If you've not enrolled into Chase Bank yet, you can click on this Not Enrolled, Sign Up Now link and follow the instructions to register first. Finally, click on the Sign In button and you'll be logged into your Chase credit card account, quick and easy. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.